morning, one and all. Today we are discussing about basic geotechnical engineering for 5th semester civil engineering students. So under subject code 18Cv54 module 1 lecture series 9. So today we are discussing about relationship between fundamental things of three-phase diagram and problem related to module 1. So now I will going to dictate a derivation to you. Write down, obtain the fundamental relationship between void ratio and porosity. From three-phase diagram, we know that void ratio is volume of voids to the volume of soil particle, and porosity is volume of voids to the total volume. So E is equal to volume of voids, and Vs volume of soil particle from three-phase diagram can also be written as V minus Vv, because total volume V is equal to volume of soil particle plus volume of voids, or total V is equal to volume of soil particle plus volume of water plus volume of air. So in all practical purpose, if I neglect volume of air, then it is volume of water is equal to volume of voids. Therefore, Vs can be written as V minus Vv. Call it as equation number 1. Divide Nr and dNr by V. Then E is equal to, so volume of voids divided by total volume, that divided by volume of voids, V minus Vv divided by V, that is V by V, to split the LCM is equal to 1, and Vv minus V is equal to N. So the equation will be converted to E is equal to N divided by 1 minus N. That is the first derivation. Students, have you understood it? Then can we move to the next derivation? Yes. So obtain a fundamental relationship between void ratio, water content, specific gravity, and degree of saturation. First thing what you have to do is you have to write the three-phase diagram. Second thing is definition, related formulas you have to write it. I will write void ratio as volume of voids to the volume of soil particle. First definition. Water content as weight of water to the weight of soil particle. Then specific gravity as Ws divided by Vs into gamma W. Then degree of saturation is volume of water to the volume of voids into 100. So next, step number 3. The first you have to start with the degree of saturation. Anything you can start. I am moving in a simplified way. Degree of saturation, SR is equal to volume of water to the volume of voids. Call it as equation number 1. We know that E is equal to volume of voids to the volume of the soil particles. So our Vv is equal to E into Vs. Call it as equation number 2. Equating equation number 2 in equation number 1, we will get degree of saturation is equal to volume of water to the E into volume of soil particle. Call it as equation number 3. Next, specific gravity is given by Ws divided by Vs into gamma W. This can also be written as Vs is equal to Ws divided by G into gamma W. Call it as equation number 4. Equating equation number 4 in the previous equation number 3. After rearranging it, we will get E is equal to Wg by Sr. So this is the second derivation. So I hope you understood that derivation. Okay, yes. Next. So with this, we are concluding today's session, and you go through the MCQ questions uploaded in LMS software, and if you have any doubt, you can feel free to ask. Thank you. I expect students to similar way other relationships also you have to practice it, so that you will get conversant with so many interrelationship related formulas.